They say if you build a better trap, you catch a bigger rat. We've been plagued by mice and rats until we found the better trap. And here it is. Since this big bad boy took up residence underneath the dock here, haven't seen hide nor hair of Mickey the Rat. Although you can see some big bulges in the snake, which I highly suspect are probably Mickey the Rat. He's very nice and gentle, it seems. He's not aggressive at all. Watch me tickle him there, see, with my little stick. I just tickle him and he takes off. He doesn't strike at you or try to get you. But we're all wondering, is it poisonous? Any experts out there? There's a close-up. Anybody got any ideas what kind of snake it is? It's about 4 feet long and it eats big rats. That's all we know.